If you want to upgrade your flip-flop game, check this out. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I need flip-flops for an upcoming trip, and I've had the cheap $5 flip-flops that you basically just throw away, and I've always had a couple problems with them. One, they aren't that comfortable. Secondly, because most of them just use nylon to strap around your toes, I get that flip-flop sound, that slap, 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 and it can be kind of annoying, especially when I am always hearing it because I'm the one walking in it, but it can also be annoying to other people too. I thought I would pick these up because they seemed really interesting. First of all, they are by Heva, and so they are not Teva's, which is kind of a premium sandal company. But what I like about these is that, one, these are pretty good size. Now, I've got them in size 10 for my foot, but they seem like an EVA foam. So I think these will float if they end up falling off in water because they are really, really light, which is kind of nice. So you won't really feel them on your feet. They also have a little bit of a tread pattern down here, so should grip on regular surfaces. You can see that it's slightly tapered, slightly thinner at the toe, and you actually get a pretty good sized heel here. I'd call it probably about an inch right here, and then tapers down to maybe half an inch right there. So you will be off the ground a little bit. You can see this contrasting color right here. You can get them in some different colors. I wanted something that was bright, like me. It also seems like a compressible EVA foam, you know, covered in some sort of material here. But what I really like about this is that they will also drain water. So these little perforations here go all the way through. It might be a little hard to see, but hopefully you can see my hand waving behind them. So they will go all the way through, and what's nice about that is that will allow, say, a wet foot to drain and dry. You get a little air through there. If you step in water, you're wearing these on the beach, that'll be really nice. Now, the thing I really, really like about this, and I am planning on testing out here, is that the strap that goes over your foot is fairly large. I would call this almost 3 inches, maybe 2.5 inches at the thinnest, 3 inches at the longest, so it's pretty nice. So it's going to go over a lot of your foot here, give you a lot of control so that the pivot point isn't on your toe. It's under there, so maybe you won't get as much slapping. But then on top of that, even though the bottom here is for a size 10, the nice thing about this is it is Velcro, so you can tighten this up to your sized foot, and so you can get a really nice secure fit with this. So even though I wouldn't normally check out a pair of flip-flops on the channel here, I'm actually really excited about these. I hope these are going to be really nice companions for my next beach trip. So let's try them on. All right. These things rock, dude. They are so light, you barely feel them on your feet. But what I love is that they don't just pivot and you don't get them slapping on your foot like you will with so many other types of flip-flops. I mean, they kind of stay close to your heel there because of this really large strap that covers really a big portion of your foot. So if you want to walk around in these, not add a lot of weight, allow water to drain off, and be really comfortable, well, I think that these might be the ones for you. So if you want to pick up these Hevas, I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.